few of you have asked to hear the air horns I've installed in my 1996 K2500 Suburban. Give you a look at some of the components here first. Got a Viair compressor. It's a 380 Chrome series, 200 psi, 100% duty cycle. I have some of the plumbing here, gauge indicating current pressure at 100 psi, and that's regulated between 100 to 110 psi all the time. There's Optima batteries, 2 of them, backing the system up, and then I have an air tank underneath. Let me crawl down there. Underneath the frame rail, just in front of the rear axle, is a 3-gallon air tank rated for 150 psi. And here is the Grover 1510 air horn, commonly found on ambulances and fire trucks, mounted directly underneath the driver's seat. So you want to hear them? Well, let me put this on a stand and let her go. Okay, the camera's about 10 feet from the truck.